Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, you can see here today we put in a spinning top. That is not a good sign. That is a sign of indecision, and I guess they are undecided if they like this big up day they had yesterday. So we started off very well, ended poorly, and basically at kind of break even for today. But I'll take that candle versus a bearish engulfing or another inside candle heading down. So we'll have to see. The good news is we're closed above the T8 and it is starting to level out, so that is a good sign. The 20 period EMA also is starting to level out a bit and is right at the 50% retracement level. So look at that for tomorrow, the 71.42, 71.50 area if we can hold. And then back up here to the 50 EMA, that's what a lot of people are looking at, to get above here, which is 76.91 and hold. And then again, our 200 period moving average is now at 94.34. We keep going this way, we're going to be under 9,000 very quickly. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of them. We're already well, I'll check. The support and resistance shorter term, I believe the number is the same. Yes, it is. We still have that downside support level of 81.84, which is well above our head, above the 50 period EMA also. But that's the short-term support and resistance which we broke. So now look for that as resistance above our head. Let's go take a look at our Chande chart checkup. Don't even have to look at my notes where price bias is downwards. The projected upper bound is 74.03 and the projected lower bound tomorrow is 63.95. Let's visit our friend the Rex Takasugi TD profile. Today we were basically flat, up 3.9 points, but volume was 60% above average, and Bollinger Bands are 36% wider than normal. For our technical outlook, short term at this point is neutral, where the intermediate and long term is still bearish. If we look at the moving averages, on a 10 period moving average, the volatility is at 53. 50 period is 42 and 200 period is 52, so you can still see volatility is with us. The Dow is currently trading 29.1% below its 200 period moving average, which is still in a downtrend. Volatility is extremely high compared to the last 10 trading periods. There's a good possibility that volatility will decrease and prices will stabilize, hopefully in the near term. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish, and they've had this outlook for the last 38 periods. And the momentum oscillator has set a new 14 period high, while the security price, the Dow, has not. So we're still in a bullish divergence based on that. Okay, let's take a look at the momentum indicators, and there are a couple. The stochastic oscillator, remember that's above 80 and below 20 of the parameters, and that's the oversold and overbought areas. And right now the stochastic oscillator is 63.57, so basically neutral. The RSI is above 70, below 30, and the current value of the RSI is 39.92. So again, that one's generating a neutral type signal. The commodity channel index, the CCI, that is above 100 for overbought, below minus 100 for oversold, and currently the value is minus 9. So again, that one is right in the middle. And the MACD signal line is showing a buy signal today. So that's it for our review of the Dow. Please join me tomorrow. Visit the website. In case anybody listening here, if they're new to this, to our videos and our updates, we are going to be closing the day trading room at 50 members. So if you do day trade and you haven't tried us, come on over. Visit the site www.teachtalktrade.com and take a free trial of the day trading room. Thanks, and Uncle Mike will see you tomorrow night.